Hi, I am Amritlal Shrestha. My student ID is 30351919. Last couple of weeks we are doing our project and we already did sprint 1 and sprint 2. Now we are doing sprint 3. There are a series of questions which I have to answer. This project start from 1907 to 2019 and it ends with 11/10/2019. So there are some questions which I have to answer. The first question is, what did I accomplish in the past sprint? Well, as a team member, my role is to help my team member by doing my duties, which is assigned to me, and I did all my duties. As a team member, my role is in the past history is to do the different activities of product such as product backlog, then prioritize it with the value it brings to the organizations. Apart from that, I also contribute with my team by doing the condition of satisfactions, as it is very important to follow the proper guidelines while doing the project. Apart from that, there are several tasks which I have to complete, and that task is related to the user stories. And for this sprint 3, my tasks includes task 4, task 5, task 10, task 14 and task 15. So in task 4, what I have done is that in task 4 there is a logout page where the patient can input their details to log out, and in task 5 there is a security system which is maintained using the blockchain. Similarly, in task 10 there is an agent who should be able to check whether the software is which is provided is correct or not. Likewise, in task 14 we need to create a web page to show the successful message and of submitted feedback. Similarly, in task 15 there is a logout options. Similarly, in task 16 there is the physician should be able to log out from system. So these are my tasks which I have to do in this sprint 3. So another question is, what did I learn from the past sprint? Like I always did sprint 1 and sprint 2, and so in sprint 3 I also learned the similar things. I learned quite interesting things while developing the sprint. As developing a sprint I learned to respect each other's hard work and passions, and also it is very essential to collaborate our team members along with our professor. Time limitation is also very important task in this project. On the practical case, I learned each user stories have different tasks to follow up. It needs a time to go through all the tasks. Meanwhile, researching the proper articles for the tasks is another important part of this project, and we need to be within the scope of that project while researching the materials. So another question is, how did I apply stream specific knowledge to my project? As in my past semester, I already learned many things like machine learning, blockchain, artificial intelligence, and for this semester, as my project is about how artificial intelligence and blockchain is used in conceptual architecture for traceability and security enhancement in the distributed enterprise. I this my past learning experience really helped me in doing this assignment. So it is very helpful. Similarly, my fourth question is, what could have gone better in the spread? As we worked as a team members, so what I realized is collaboration is very important. I think that is important to everyone. Meanwhile, what I found lacking is if we are more open with the professor and if we follow the guidelines that is given by our supervisor, then it will really improve our assignment, and then we will give our best for the assignment. So I think the collaborating with our professor is very vital, and we'll look forward in the coming days. And thank you very much for giving this opportunity. Thank you very much.